Hey guys, welcome to yet another video from YouTube with Saave. In today's video, we are going to learn more about the new feature which YouTube has rolled out called as courses. So if you go to your channel, you will see this new tab has appeared called as courses, which is basically for channels which are educational in nature, and you can create a course and put it out on YouTube, right? You can see over here, create your course, then add existing content or upload new videos. Now, since this channel of mine is more from how to set up a YouTube channel, it's kind of educational in nature. So I will go and create a new course. And remember why this is important. Whenever YouTube features something new, they try to promote it to more and more users to understand how the feedback is. So it's always useful to try out new features rolled out by YouTube because they want to show it to more viewers, share it with more users, and that is a chance for you to promote your content in an indirect way. So you'll go ahead and create a new course. Now, what I've thought of is already I will create one with the name of how to set up a YouTube channel. So I will go to ChatGPT and use it to write a description for my course. So, basis my keyword research, I have focused on these two keywords: how to start a YouTube channel and YouTube channel, and this will just give me answer basis the prompt which I've given. So, I'll just, if okay, I will just copy paste it. Right. So this is my course name, which I have basically kept it as how to start a YouTube channel, and I'll just copy paste it. So I feel this is good enough. This is exactly what the content will be. So this is done, and I will add my existing videos, so whichever are relevant. So I'll just add one or two right now, like how do you create logo, banner, how to do the settings of the channel, right? YouTube channel settings. So I'll just add two, three now for the video purpose, and I will click on create. And this is my course. So in short, it's basically just like a playlist, but what YouTube is trying to do is create a course, and anyone who wants educational content. I had shown in one more thing that in the revenue part you can see now there is one more stream called as education. This channel might not show because I'm not monetized for this channel, but under education you will earn for educational content, and this is one way I think YouTube is trying to promote and gain revenue from the educational content. So this is how you can create a course and start rolling out to your viewers. So my suggestion is, if you are educational channel, do create a course and try to see how you gain traction around it. Right? I will also create multiple courses over here and try to see how it works out. I hope this was useful. If you have any queries, do drop in comment your questions and I will try to answer them. If you are liking the content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.